السلام عليكم.
Peace be upon you.
أحمد سالم مصطفى.
My name is Ahmad Salem Mustafa from SMPF Mauritania. I came to know about ZIRVE through some friends in Morocco who have already purchased from them and told me about the great quality of their machines. I then went on their YouTube channel and found the machines were excellent. However, as you know, social media is not always a reliable source to assess quality unless you visit the factory.
When
I visited the factory and saw the product in action, it allowed me to evaluate its quality much better than relying on social media alone. I noticed that they are partnered with well-known and reputable equipment providing companies like Schneider Electric and others, which in turn contributes to the overall reliability and durability of the machines. During my factory visit, I met with ZIRVE's employees and workers and brought some samples to produce. They provided excellent feedback and support, leaving me very satisfied.
Of
all the factories I visited, ZIRVE's attention to detail stands out. Their chip and packaging machines are top-notch and deliver exceptional quality. In my opinion, they are one of the best in the business. As an investor, I highly recommend ZIRVE for anyone interested in the chips and snacks industry. Their exceptional product quality and industry expertise, combined with their professional and courteous communication, make them an excellent company to do business with.